Business promotion is a must, especially when you want to stand apart from the competition. Marketing competition is quite big, so if you want to get into the competition, you need to adapt some digital marketing strategies to get the attention of your customer. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share 10 strategies that can help you to promote your small business online. The first strategy is kind of obvious. Get a business website. If you want to promote your business online, then the first step you need to take is to create a website for your business. No matter how small or big your business is, you can't make it online if you don't have a website. A professional looking website not only serves as a tool but works as a front face of your business by telling the story about your products and services and what you offer to customers. Number 2, after creating a website, your next step should be creating a Google My Business profile, as it allows your business to show up in the Google Maps and the location section of Google search results. So whenever someone types your business name and location, Google quickly shows your business name in the search results. Number 3, now your third step should be implementing search engine optimization on your business site. In order to create an online presence for your business, you need to implement SEO practices for your business. Search engine optimization is a set of practices that place your business within Google's algorithm. These algorithms have evolved to use machine learning and the behavior of user to produce accurate and quality results for searches. SEO isn't the only technique, but multiple tactics that work together to improve the ranking of your business website. Number 4, content is such a crucial aspect of SEO for promoting your business online. Blogging is the most effective and economical way for small businesses to drive traffic to their website. Creating a business blog not only helps you to drive traffic and promote your services and products, but it also helps you to build trust towards your customer. Number 5, these pieces of PR are invaluable in sharing the success of your business has experienced or the positive impact it has had on the community. Pass your press releases to the media. This is a great way to advertise online. Number 6, a good reputation will help people trust you, and this will ultimately result in sales, loyal customers, and much more. The internet is no exception to this concept. You should work hard to develop your online credibility as a trusted service provider or retailer. You can do this by regularly supplying customers with quality services and goods by offering excellent customer service. Number 7, one thing can only be recognized by search engines and social media networks, and that's content. You need content to be able to boost your brand online. This strategy of using content for promotional purposes is known as content marketing, and companies that manage to do this properly are the most likely to succeed online. Number 8, if you want quick results and have a decent budget, then Google Ads are the best and the quickest way to go. Google Ads show up at the top of search engine result pages above local and organic listing. These ads can be extremely effective way of driving relevant traffic to your website when people are searching for the type of services or products your business offers. Social media is no longer simply a tool for gaining visibility. It has evolved into a required time commitment for any company. You may integrate advertising and offers into your Facebook page and use Twitter to communicate directly with your consumers. Another method to assist on startup is to network on LinkedIn, both personally and professionally. Number 10, give some attractive offers and discounts on the products or services that you sell. People will always need discounts. So this strategy will attract a lot of customers to your small business or store and make your business more popular. There are so many options when it comes to promoting your business. Just keep the goal in mind and the journey will be worth it. Follow these 10 tips to promote business online and start creating a strong digital business presence. Have any suggestions or ideas on low-cost marketing strategies that can help small businesses to grow? I would love to hear them from you in the comments. See you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.